Stevie's, where are you going?
Stevie's is crawling up my mum.
Yes, she is. She's a goofy spider. That is not a tree, Diva. That is not a tree. You are not arboreal.
Trees are not blue. Uh-oh.
Stevie.
What do I do if she gets up here by my face?
Crystal.
She's coming up a little too high.
She's just on your shoulder.
She's gonna go up and over.
I'll get her, I'll get her. Come here.
It's okay.
Come here, Deebies.
Yeah, she's on my shoulder.
Come here, Deebies. My mom is not a tree. Cool. My mom is not a tree. Goofy spider. My mom is not a tree, Goofy. You behave or I'm going to put you back in your tank. Yes, that's right. I said it.
Your heart quit beating fast, Julie?
Yeah.
You took that. That was last night, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to get up.
Sure.